What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Love Me More by Trippie. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will shank your entire family with a frickin' prison shank or some shit. Oh man. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning, and what that means is you're gonna be in standard tuning and you're gonna drop your low E down to a D note. So your D string here should be an octave higher than your low E now. As always, I will have the guitar tab that I made myself for the song in the video description, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, check the description. The guitar tab is there for you. You're starting out with your ring finger on the low E on the 5th fret, and then your index finger on the G string on the 3rd fret. You just pluck those at the same time. Then you're going to slide that down to your middle finger on the low E on the 8th fret, and your index finger on the 7th fret on the G. Here to here, then slide all the way down to the 1st fret on the low E, pluck that with the G string open, and then quickly before you start all that over, you jump to 3 on the low E, 2 on the G, and then it starts all over, and that just repeats throughout the entire song. So slowly. And then quickly you switch from between those two there. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.